Plumbing problems never happen at a good time. They leak at night, clog before dinner, and the plumber isn't always available. You don't need to be a pro. In this video, I'll show you how to fix basic plumbing issues yourself, so you can stay in control and keep your home running smoothly. Many people think plumbing is just a technical skill, but actually has a real impact on family happiness. I've seen quiet evenings turn stressful when a pipe starts leaking, the floor gets wet, and everyone gets frustrated because no one knows what to do. When small problems like that happen over and over, they slowly create tension at home. On the other hand, when you know a few basic plumbing skills, everything changes. You stay calm, fix the issue quickly, and the home stays peaceful. And when a neighbor has the same problem, you step in to help. One small repair can build trust and strengthen relationships. Plumbing skills don't just fix pipes, they help keep families and neighborhoods connected and at ease. When fixing a leaking water fitting, you can't loosen it by hand because it's usually tightened too firmly. That's why you need a proper tool to open the plastic pipe safely and effectively without damaging the threads or cracking the pipe. But things don't always go smoothly. You find a leaking pipe. Everything seems ready, except you're missing the right tool. You try using your hands. Nothing moves. You have a wrench, but the pipe is larger than what it was designed for. That's where most people give up. I don't. If you have a single wrench, I can show you a simple way to upgrade it so it can handle larger, tighter plastic pipes without damaging the pipe or the threads. In this video, I'll walk you through each step clearly, so the next time this happens, you know exactly what to do. Stay calm, stay in control, and fix it yourself without rushing to call a plumber. First, I'll cut a 120-degree angle on the hanging hook of the wrench. This step is done to prepare for the next assembly stage, making sure the parts fit together properly. After the cut, I'll grind the hanging hook down to make it smaller and cleaner, so it's easier to open plastic pipe caps during use. Here, I already have a motorcycle chain ready. I'll secure it directly onto the body of the wrench. And this will be the key component that expands what the wrench can do, allowing it to handle tasks it was never designed for before. This wrench has officially been upgraded to the next level. Now, let's put it to the test. Before putting it to the test, take a moment to look at the structure of this wrench. At first glance, its overall design looks quite unique. The wrench head is still convenient for loosening or tightening bolts as usual. Meanwhile, the end of the wrench features a motorcycle chain and a hook, making it easier to turn or tighten pipes that are larger than what the wrench head alone would normally be able to handle. It can be a bit tricky to use because the plastic pipe is quite slippery. Make sure you secure it in the right position, and it'll be much easier to loosen and open. And just like that, the stuck, leaking pipe is finally open. See? It's easier than you might think. This is PTFE tape, also known as plumber's tape. A small item, but an essential one in any plumbing job. Its job is to seal threaded connections, prevent leaks, and help the threads tighten more securely. Using it is simple. Just wrap the tape in the same direction as the threads. About 3 to 5 turns, nice and even, not too loose, not too thick. Then screw the pipe back on as usual. Do it right, and your connection will be tighter, cleaner, and far less likely to leak later on. And that's it. No complicated machines, and no need to rush and call a plumber every time something goes wrong. With a bit of creativity and a few familiar tools, you can handle problems that might seem frustrating at first. DIY isn't about showing off. It's about being prepared, saving money, and feeling more confident as you take care of your home. Because there's almost always a solution once you know where to start.